Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Applying password protection to a document in Word prevents users from editing or opening the file unless the user provides the corresponding password to perform the related task. To add password protection to prevent users from opening a document in Word without the password, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Protect Document drop-down button in the Info section to the right. Then choose the Encrypt with Password command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Encrypt Document dialog box. Enter the password to open the document into the Password field. Then click the OK button after entering the password to show the Confirm Password dialog box. Re-enter the same password into the Re-enter Password field, and then click the OK button. Then click the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar or Backstage view to save your changes. Your document is then protected and cannot be opened without the password you created. Note that the password you create to open a document in Word is case sensitive. There are no restrictions on password length or complexity. Whatever you choose for your password, be sure to remember it or write it down and keep it in a safe place. As noted in the dialog box when creating the password, you cannot recover a lost document password. If you forget or lose the password needed to open a Word document, there is no way to open the document again. Therefore, it is very important to remember your password and secure it appropriately when you password protect a document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.